Some people like that. Well, something right now. Do you know what I got the girl from? I have no idea. I've been doing this all day today. Are you okay? Girl, I'm gonna talk to you later. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Are you okay? What's wrong?
Da pensé Maya. J'entends ton tête que tu me demandes. Je ne peux pas oublier ça. Ça tellement fait triste. Tellement fait me sentir comme ça pitié.
Excuse-moi, c'est janvier. Et bah, like, c'est grand monde. Like,
Mais j'ai envie d'agir ensemble avec moi. Je ne comprends pas. Je essayer pour penser. Je pense. Comment nous pas le faire mal? Je ne peux pas venir la caille sans tonton de pas faire grimace. Pas faire imbécile. Nous venons de pour nous étudier ou agir ensemble avec.
ouais,
Est-ce que j'aime tonton agir comme ça? Avec quel mot?
c'est la première fois que je m'amène mon la caille. C'est le premier qui est venu la caille moi. So, like, même moi, je honte parce que je ne peux pas like, agir comme ça. Ou la même pas répondre. Like, je ne peux pas faire de ça. I'm very sorry de ça. Well, like, même moi, je honte tout. Ou la même pas répondre.
Huh?
Like,
Femme chose est blessée ça encore?
excusez-moi. I feel sorry. But a hug make you feel better?
Yeah, that was painful.
Just some coffee to make you feel better.
Maya. I would really love for you to move with me and get our own place together. But we gotta find a way. We have to make a strategic way so you can come live with me. Because another day, every day that I have to think about your uncle and you being in that situation, it makes me feel more painful.
Hey girl. So how you feeling? How you doing? How's class? Girl, I need to tell you something. Like, you know how like James and Maya, how he been trying so hard to get her and get her attention and stuff? I mean, I was like, I just don't understand. Like, the uncle kind of tripping a little bit. Because, like, he wants Patrick to, like, be with Maya so bad. Just because that man got money. And I feel like it's something suspicious about that. Like, I don't know. Like, the worst part is, like, femme himala.
What is it, Maya? What? What is it?
I just don't have the courage to tell you this right now. Like, I really don't have the courage. So, I'm just gonna talk to you later.
Tale. Tu vas quitter le téléphone, on va t'en pressé. Faut nous parler, shit, faut nous parler.
This is very, very hard.
I understand. But moi là, ça m'a ou pas seulement la situation pour qu'on. You're not alone. I'm here for you. Mais faut nous tous les deux. Qu'il y ait connaissance, ce qui a passé, pour nous changer la situation. But if you leave me in the dark, you're gonna keep feeling that darkness. And I don't want you feeling that way, alone.
I'm very grateful that you're here, but it's very embarrassing to talk about. Like, my uncle, monsieur Gele Patrick qui vient la casa, and monsieur a l'argent. I don't think my uncle can pay back the money. It's like he been trying to sell me to this man. Comme si la personne bonne monsieur. Like, it hurt. That shit hurt so bad.
Sordim là. Excusez. Sordim là, petit gars. I'm sorry. Sordim. Vous dites qui ça?
Sit down.
Plutôt campé.
I don't need you getting mad. I trust you to talk to you about this.
Yes, James and Maya, they should definitely like stick together, cause like I'm not cool with Patrick trying to be with Maya, and the uncle is just encouraging it. Exactly. Girl, like, I'm not with it. I don't care. It needs to stop immediately. No, man. Girl, it's almost like he just want her to be with him just for the money.
It's okay.
It's not like this. I wish my mother was here.
It's okay. I'm here. I'm here for you. Back here. Here, open up for me. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's okay. You're welcome. I'm here for you.
I really don't need you getting mad.
Ou pas dire ça parce que ça c'est une émotion. On pas It's okay. Your pretty face. On va faire en fait. En tout cas, on a cherché un gens pour nous résoudre ça ensemble. Quand on a fait reconnaître la situation qui est grave, m'a planifié un bagage pour tonton. On a cherché une stratégie ensemble. En tout cas, nous faisons tout crier pour aujourd'hui. En tout cas, on te bon mon petit cob. N'a pas le passé à la chante crème.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Crème la senti bon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You feel like ice cream gonna be good?
Yeah.
Okay, I know. from Bego.
Get to your glasses.
Manque écrasé that là.
Come here.
Wal flonke class yo là. Get pas mon comprendre plus fort bagay.
I know. That's why we need to study.
Pas dis maman ça non. So dis maman ça là tout yo on a fait que. Aïe aïe aïe. C'est pas avec ça là.
Are you sure you can do that?
Yeah, I'm doing it. On va besoin. Non. Chocolat.
So you have arrived to your destination. Have a great day.
Où ben ça, mon cher? Elle fait m'arrêter là, j'ai un rendez-vous. Allô? Et où la caille là? Eh bien, on passe là, oui. Eh bien, ok.
Uber for Angelo? Ah! Jay? No, I didn't know it was you. It says Angelo. What you doing? What you doing over here? Oh, Lord, bye, guys. I was wondering because I looked at the address and it looks familiar. But that's crazy.
Not tout Uber, so même moi jeune.
I know. Well, it's okay.
Comment tout bagay aujourd'hui? Est-ce que tout bagay est passé?
I mean, everything's going well. Had some good customers, bad customers, but it's all good. Not really, but I know I'm gonna get a good tip from you.
On boit du côté même. Avec Charles machine ça côté écossonné à mon cher.
Non,
mais Charles m'a compétent.
Ou va get it. Amen.
Et vous êtes pas jeune type.
But your secret's safe with me, so.
Huh?
It's all good.
I hope so. But yeah, you know, Maya, she really special. I'm not used to it.
I'm so excited to see my girl.
You don't see your girl. You ain't seen no girl, you gonna ruin my thing.
Okay. I'ma just stay in the car.
Well, so they say Uber, yes, Uber. Ça va être Uber.
What's so get là?
Just give her you people and Maria.
But these people do. Hey.
Back in
Oh, it's on me. Now, not business time.
business. Monte business. I have to be all in it. Woman, all in your crib. Give me that's about to be a month. I'm getting old. I'm going on the speed limit, okay? Right. Well, calm down, calm down. If I don't leave out here, on the right thing, no.
Maya, je dis à me sentir vraiment content pour rencontre là. Et je pense que yon lè n'a pas encore mais me sentir un petit gens embarrassé ça passe.
I'm only doing this parce que nous mettons in a difficult place. Like, I don't know what to do. I already have somebody in my heart.
Ça passe.
Je ne pas avoir une relation ensemble.
Ah, ou pas qu'à sentir que ou pas à l'aise, moi dis que moi vle à l'aise. Moi senti que ou gon bagay k'ap tracasser ou. Ça passe même. Pour qu'il soit senti ou pas à l'aise dans la relation.
Because moi qui t'en ou dans relation avec l'autre monde, c'est James qui pour moi.
James? Qui James ça Maya?
Hey, parle sur moi comme ça, papa lave comme ça. C'est tout homme qui fait dans la machine là. Je sorti avant, je dans le restaurant avant, je fais plaisir. C'est James qui nèg moi. Comment ça? Papa lave comme ça, parle sur moi. Don't do that.
Passer dans normalie là non, passer tout droit parce que pas le tout l'état là aussi tout droit là pour parler. Okay. I got you. I'm probably yeah. Just sort of normal. What's normal? I don't know what's normal. I don't do flowers. I never did flowers. We'll learn today. You got me there, I guess. Tipo, a diferença está. O foi voto, a poesia. Opa. Vale? Depois ele botou tudo essa. The uncle's here. Depois ele okay, I got don't take all the customers for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. So you're gonna pay me 5 minutes. Alright, bye. Okay. Okay, bye.
Comment fâché Maya? Pas ta vle que pour ça durer longtemps parce que moi vraiment en pile. Moi ka bon yon kiss.
Papaya. Pone bulim! Pone bulim! Fuck this shit. Fuck no. Shit's stupid. Sophia, koto ye la? Sophia? Mpa kon ki sa pou di anko. Mche. Kon Samuela? Samuela, you know what I just witnessed? What I saw? Please, please, come get me now. Come get me now. Come get me now. And be okay. Fais vite, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Really? Maya? This is what you do? Oh my God!